Do you think we could grow plants with intention? And in that moment, we changed everything. In that moment, we changed food production forever. Here's an example. If you suddenly realize that you can grow the food that you want to eat, do you grow the bitter green stuff or do you grow the really tasty stuff? You start growing the tasty stuff, and at that point in time, everything starts to go wrong. At the point in time when you start to choose what you're going to grow, when you start to influence the environment, you start to take the wrong left turn. And that continues right out to the point where you end up in a situation where you have food manufacturing companies that today are all about profit. And if they want to make profit, then what do they need to get you to do? Anybody in here, you want to get more sales in your business. How do you get more sales? Sell more stuff. Who can you sell more stuff to? New people. And then you can sell more stuff to your existing clients. In order to get your existing clients to buy more stuff, you have to get them to want more stuff. Well, if you're a food manufacturer, that means you need to make food that people want more than they need. You need to build food that when they eat it, they feel unsatiated. You need to manufacture food that doesn't satisfy their nutritional requirements so that they will keep eating. You need to make food that has substances in it that are addictive in nature so that the people don't have a choice about how much they eat and when they eat it. Does this sound familiar to anybody?